intellectual top cat. Who's intellectual? Close friends get to call him TC, providing it's with dignity. Top cat, the indisputable leader of the gang.